Hello lovelies, welcome again to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you how to grow thin hair into thick hair. And before that, I'm going to be doing my hair. I just got one new product which I'm going to be reviewing in the next video. But why I am going to be trying that product on my hair today, we'll be talking about how to grow your thin hair into thick hair. All right, see you later. Today I just bought this new Jamaican black castor oil strengthening and restore leave-in conditioner, which I'm going to be trying for my hair. It's already opened because I used it already for my daughter's hair this morning. So I'm going to be trying this product, guys, and I will let you know. I'll be reviewing this product with you guys. So today, before I continue to share with you how to grow thin hair into thick hair, this right now, this is my hair. I just washed it now and it's towel dry, guys. And if you want to know where I bought this towel from, it is from Amazon. I got these towels from Amazon, so they are very good for natural hair. If you have natural hair, this is the type of towel you should use for your natural hair. After I've applied it generously from the ends, from the tips to the ends, I'm going to go in now with my comb. So I'll be using my handicap comb. This is it. This is one of the challenges we have with natural hair. This comb got broken in the process of detangling my hair. So this is what I'm going to be using, guys. In order to grow your thin hair into thick hair, you have to understand that our hair grows from inside out. And according to Dr. Beck, iron deficiency in the body leads to thin hair. And also, he says zinc, omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin D, biotin, vitamin C. These are all the minerals that when you don't have in your body, your hair is going to be thin. So I'm going to be sharing with you what you have to do or what you can eat in order to get this mineral. He says iron, you can get iron from red meat, you can get it from cheese, and you can also get it from eggs. And for zinc, you can get zinc from red meat too. And also he says omega-3 fatty acid, you can get it from salmon, fish. If you are that person who don't like fish, you can eat other things in order to get omega-3 fatty acid. And also if you lack vitamin D, you can also always get it from sunlight. And there are also supplements that you can take in order to get vitamin D. Biotin, you can get it from salad, you can get it from sauerkraut. And vitamin C, you can get it from berries, bell peppers, and lemon. And all these things, if you take them, you grow your thin hair into thick hair. And you have to make sure that if you take alcohol, too much alcohol and sugar also lead to zinc deficiency. With all this, for my own experience with my hair, because we all have our own hair and we have to know what works for our hair. For me, I've noticed that when I use water in my hair, sulfate-free shampoo, it works very well for my hair. It makes my hair thicker. Even though you can't change the size of your hair follicles. If you were born with fine hair, it is genetics and no product would completely alter that. But of course, there are ways to maintain your hair health, add volume and keep it from getting any thinner. And to get all these things, you need to be careful with the product you use. Or maybe when you are choosing your products for your hair, make sure you take products that will help your hair healthy and also to add volume to your hair. I'm just trying to make this hair very fast, guys, before my baby wakes up, because if my baby is awake, then I'll not be able to do it again. That's the reason I'm just so fast to finish before she gets up. Though you have to better understand what is going on in your body, there are also some lifestyle choices that can lead to thinning hair. For example, stress, hormones. For me, if you have not watched my video of my postpartum hair loss, that was one of the videos that I also had very thinning hair and hair loss. That was because I just had my baby and I had severe hair loss. Guys, I will leave the link to that video in my description box. Please check it out. There is something they call telogen effluvium. This is triggered by stress, emotional stress, and over exercise. These two things, if you know that you are going through stress emotionally or you are doing over exercise, please try and reduce it, because this is also something that leads to thinning hair. Now, to end this video, I have some 7 tips for you to that if you apply, you will grow your hair thicker. Yeah, you have to avoid dryness by reducing heat styling. Like, for example, make sure you air dry your hair. I normally air dry my hair. I don't use any dryer, anything. Cleanse your hair with sulfate free shampoo, and then also top up your intake of healthy fat. For example, eat avocado. Avocado is very healthy and helps to grow our hair thicker. Brush your hair from ends to root to reduce breakage. You will notice when you're combing your hair, you take your time and you comb your hair gently, you will notice that your hair will not break, especially your tips. That is where the breakage takes place. Avoid tight ponytails. This is also something that is destroying our hair. Give yourself a scalp massage. Massage your scalp, if not 2 times a week, at least once a week. Shampoo your hair with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water is very good. If you use hot water on your hair, it damages your hair. It causes scalp dryness. It strips your hair from natural oils, and it also causes breakage, thus making your hair thin. Thank you all. If you have watched this video up to this extent, I am really grateful. The first thing I've noticed with this product is it makes my hair soft and I can easily detangle my hair. It helps to detangle very fast. That is the first thing I've noticed with the product, and I will still review it with you guys. I will still let you know whether you should buy it or not. But that is just the first thing I've noticed with it. When you apply it, it makes your hair soft and easily detangle. And throughout my detangling process, this is all I've got from my hair. You can see this is all. This is all that came out from my whole hair. Alright, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.